My hair's really long and it's really annoying me, so I'm going to just try to give myself a haircut. It'll be pretty inaccurate, but look how boofy it is. I've been waiting for my Brio Beardscape to arrive, but it hasn't been delivered yet. I could have potentially used that, but I'm not sure that the extensions that come on the top of it are actually long enough. I'm just going to start with this 7/8 of an inch wire connector. And my reasoning is that I'll get rid of all of this and just leave that after the curvature of my head is finished. It's just getting really annoying.